Hi, I'm Aaron Mert from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at 5 common email marketing pitfalls. Number 1 is email marketing frequency. A lot of businesses don't have a plan for how often to send out emails or on what days of the week. Take the time to build a dedicated email marketing calendar. Determine how often to send emails to your customers and on what days of the week. We recommend sending out emails at least once a week. The more the better, but try not to send out multiple emails in a day because you don't want to overwhelm your audience. Number 2, don't make your emails too sales focused. While it's important that your emails convert customers, it's equally important that your emails don't generate too many unsubscribes and are actually engaging to your end user. Share blog posts, free resources, and other content that will engage your users and make them want to keep reading instead of just sending them sale after sale after sale. Number 3, don't make your emails too short. A lot of people who are just starting out with email marketing try to condense everything into a small paragraph or into a single screen height. It's okay for end users to have to scroll through your email as long as the content is visually engaging. This brings us to point number 4, probably the most important pitfall to avoid in your email marketing efforts. Don't send any emails without image content. It's crazy how often we see businesses sending out walls of text that don't have any images included to break up the content and make it more visually engaging. If the emails you're sending out just contain a wall of text, that's not going to be enough to engage your end user compared to the other emails they're receiving in their inbox every single day. Number 5, avoid sending out emails without a clear call to action. It's extremely important that your end user understands what information you're trying to convey with your email. Whether you're trying to direct users to your website, your social media channels, or any other platform, a strong call to action is a must to ensure that they reach the destination that you're trying to advertise. A beautiful, lengthy email with lots of images that clearly tells customers about your product isn't going to do you any good if it doesn't also tell them where they can find that product. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 5 common email marketing pitfalls and how to avoid them.